Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're making some garlic pimento naan. You all have been requesting that I update my recipe, so here's the updated version. So come join me today as I show you how to make this easy and delicious naan recipe. To start this recipe, we're going to be putting all of our dry ingredients into the flour. So I'm using all-purpose flour and I'm going in with baking powder, yeast and salt. Now everyone makes their naan differently. This is just my version. Give that a mix to distribute the dry ingredients, and then we're going to go in with plain yogurt. You can use low fat, you can use all fat, whatever you like, and ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can use clarified butter or regular butter, and break that in. And then add in lukewarm water a little at a time until it comes together into a soft to medium dough. You don't want it to be too soft and you don't want it to be too firm. So for the 2 cups of flour, I use 3/4 cups of water, but as I said, add it in small amounts until you get to a soft medium dough. And this is what it would look like. You want to knead it really well until it's nice and smooth. And once it's smooth, you're going to form it into a dough ball. And then we'll cover it and allow it to rest for 20 minutes. While that's resting, let's make our garlic pimento butter for our naan. So to my warmed butter, and I'm using Kerrygold butter because you want to use something really rich, or you can use ghee. I'm going in with minced garlic, pimento and finely chopped flat leaf Italian parsley, or if you wanted to use banana or cilantro instead, you can. Give that a mix and set it aside. Now my dough is ready. I'm going to go ahead and punch down on the dough. Just want to release those gases that were built up, and we're going to break this into small dough balls. Now you can break these as big or as small as you want. I wanted it pretty small, so I broke each dough ball to about 3 inches in diameter. I got 9 dough balls in total, so you're going to get 9 pieces of naan. Flour your surface and roll out each until it's nice and thin, about 1/4 of an inch. These puff up when they cook, so you really want to go a little thinner with them. I like to roll out all and then start cooking so I can finish faster. So I place my pot up on my stove on a medium heat, and I'm adding in a little bit of butter. Now you don't have to add this butter if you don't want to. You can omit it and just cook the naan on both sides until it's golden brown and it's cooked. It's going to take about 4 to 5 minutes to cook in total. You want it to get to the color that you would like. If you like it darker, cook it longer, and it cooks up pretty quickly. Now once it's finished, you're going to place it on a plate. And then we're going to take the garlic pimento butter that we made and spread it lightly over the top of the naan. Now you can put as much or as little butter as you want on this, and once you're done, you serve it with your favorite side. I'm having it with butter chicken today. I already have a recipe for this on my channel, and I'll link it for you all as an end card, and you just simply enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, comment down below, let me know what you think. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.